Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can customize watermark in your photos in the Motorola E13. So at the start we have to open the camera app, then go to the settings by this little gear icon and expand the photos. Now I can see that we have watermark, so tap on it, and this is the place where you can enable a timestamp, device watermark, and if you want to add your signature, just click here, type your text, and click accept icon. Now just go back to the camera, take your photo, and now the customized watermark should appear. You can see that we have a hard reset word, and this is the default watermark. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.